When cataloging in bulk using manual splits with List or Not, first we'll create our pod. Now we'll click on bulk. We're going to choose our images to upload. We'll select them all up to 500 at a time. Now we're going to reset our splits, and we're going to manually split these to create our lot breaks. So you can see the button that says split here. Just click that, go down the line, splitting your lots into individual lot numbers there, as you can see. Just click on down. It's just that easy. Then we create our lots. It breaks them out into individual lot numbers. You can add additional information. If there's something that AI might not know, you can drop that in there in that additional information. Then we click Update Pod. If you want to add more lots, you can. Otherwise, you click the X to get out. Pick your AI prompt up there under AI Tone. That's going to write out all the descriptions in the format that you tell it to. Couple seconds, it will start processing titles, descriptions, weights, dimensions, etc. Click on the eyeball icon to make your quick review or quality control. Then you can also select a prompt for your titles. In this case, we have a high bid prompt to cut the titles down under 50 characters. You can change your lot numbers in bulk. So if you needed to do that but made a mistake, you can do so. You can also click and drag these around if you wanted to move your lot numbers. And then lastly, we can shoot this right back out to List or Not to launch to any platform. Thank you for watching, and we hope to help you soon list a lot faster.